Right, we're in Tyler's car. Tyler's having some problems at the moment, and your car always goes wrong right in the middle of all the other shit stuff going on in your life. Whoopsie, that'll demonetize that video. Right, so I said, bring it in. Let's have a look. Let's have a look what's wrong with this. Right, what have we got? A Ford Fiesta, haven't we? Ford Fiesta, manual, petrol. Right, and I started it up. I got in it, started it up. Right, we're not in gear. Right, and instantly I can hear. I don't know if you can hear on the video. If I shut up, it would help. Sounds to me like it's running on 3 cylinders, like so, and when you rev it's sort of slow to pick up. So I think we were spark plug down, so we're going to go and pull some HT leads off, which is always an electrifying experience, Tyler, and we're going to see which cylinder's not working. It could be compression or it could be spark. We'll have a look. And actually you can hear it more at the rear. You can hear it. So I've got a if you listen to it at the back, Tyler, you'll hear it more.
Yeah.
Right, so we've taken off the airbox. Where's the airbox gone there? Go on then, so pull one HT lead off at a time. Keep your hands on the plastic bit, Tyler. And what we're listening for is the car slowing down. The engine slowing down even. Well, that definitely slowed down, didn't it?
Yeah.
Right, leave that one then. Give him just a little push back on. Yeah, don't worry too much. Right, the next one's going to be a bit tricky. Can you get to that? Careful, watch the lead. Try not to get on that lead. Try to get on, that's it. Just lift it up. We could turn it off if it's a bit tight. Turn it off and try again. Right, hold on, has that made any difference or not?
No, I think I pulled out another one.
Pulled out. Let's put that lead over this side, get that one out of the way, and see if you can lift that up a bit more again. Lift it up a bit. I can hear it still sparking, go up a bit more. Alright, yeah, but that made a massive difference, didn't it? Did you hear it sparking? Go up again, you hear it sparking, you hear it going right. Do that first one again. Is that first one sparking? As violently as that. Yeah, you've got to go quite high to disconnect the spark. Right, yeah, so those first two are okay. Alright, let's do 3 and 4. Don't touch the metal bits of those, that's it. You might be lucky, aren't you? Go on, gently, gently, gently. Turn it off and we'll lift it up and get it. So we just loosened those with the engine off. So we should better just pull those out, starting up. Right. One of these isn't firing right. Lift him up. Right, yeah, he's definitely slowing it down, isn't he? Right. Is it the last one then? Ah, he's doing nothing, right? And I can't hear him sparking, can I? I can't hear him going dick, 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 dick. I can't hear him. Right, so we're going to have a little look here. There's something wrong with this cylinder. I don't know if there's lack of compression in the cylinder or lack of spark. I couldn't hear the spark crackling. So I'll just double check. So let's just check. That looks alright-ish. And that looks to be fitted on there, okay? So I'm going to put that in there, and I'm going to hold this next to a bit of metal bodywork that I can find. Hold on. That's fuel rail. It'll probably be alright, but it's not ideal. Where have we got some metal? Is that metal there? Oh, plastic.
Could get another bit of metal.
Could get another bit of metal. Ah, here, I'll tote this lifting hook or whatever it is on the back here. Right, now I'm going to hold that there, and then start the engine, and we'll see if it sparks.
Yep.
Yeah, go on then. Why am I doing this? Right, so there's no spark jumping across there, is there? So we have no spark on that.
Oh, I see a spark.
Is there a spark? Oh, it's pathetic.
It's tiny.
It's tiny. It should be like deck, 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 deck. I'll show you on one of the others, yeah? So can you see that spark there? Hardly. If I get really close, it's got something in it. Alright, right, turn that off then. Here we go, we're trying to electrocute Tyler here. Right, so hold it nice and close to that bracket. So you see the bracket I was going on? Right, in fact, you could have it right next to it and then move it away when we start it, right? So here we go. Let's start it. Try not to crush you. So this is what a spark should look like. So if you bring it away, look at that. Right, so that's madness, right? I'll turn it off. So that's what you should have. Right, so we got no spark on number 1, right? And we're just for the sake of clarity. Well, that's 1. Here, you film. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, right? China graph pen. Right, now this one here is doing number 4, right? So I'm going to write a number 4 on here, right? And I'm going to write a number 1 on this badger here, right? And what I'm going to see now is whether it's the coil pack that's gone, because it could be this. So I'm going to put this HT lead on there, because it might be that lead that's broken down. That lead could be stuff in there, right? Where's that special bolt we had, Tyler? Did I have it?
You had it. It's probably gone to a different world.
Right, different, yeah. Right, so whack that in there, and we're going to see, whose turn is it this time? My turn. Go on, you start it.
Back again.
Yeah, well, it's hardly running, but there's no lead. So I think we can conclude it's this coil pack. Now, we could swap it over, but what we need to do is go and buy a new coil pack. Ford Fiesta coil pack. So let's remove the coil pack, right? So what do we need to do, Tyler? We need to undo these bolts here. 1, 2, 3. This one's half undone. Anyway, look at that. What's going on here? That one. Unplug that there. And then we need to zip up the motor factors and put a new one of those on. And I reckon we're home and dry.
Yep.
Right, so I've labelled all those. Right, and to undo that electric connector, there's a little wire you've got to push up at the bottom.
You can see it.
And then it should slide out then.
It's coming.
Right, show us the little.
So, funny that that's done.
Right, look at that. That's tricky as you like. Right, and then we need to get on these little torques. T20s, T25s. Right, we've got some heinous bodgery going on. So it turns out they've decided to use steel screws into aluminium, which is not uncommon, but you get corrosion between the two metals. And this was not undoing. I tried grinding a slot in the head, that wasn't having it. But then, if I just, Tyler, grab that. Everyone's got, look, I've got a woodwork hammer. People get upset about my hammer choices. And then we just do that, and it's going to be easier to get the grips on it there. And the other one that's stuck's at the back, isn't it, Tyler?
Yeah.
So can I do the same at the back, do you reckon? Because we're going to replace this coil pack. Is it going? That front one went. There you go.
Yeah.
Right.
It's gone.
So if you get stuck, there you go. That's the coil pack out, and it's a lot easier now to get to these with some mole grips and undo those than it is trying to fiddle around. So I suspect our trusty coil pack here has died. So we need to go and get a new one of those. Right, a handy trip to our motor factors, motor quip. We like those motor quips, Cirencester. They got one in stock, £28. We're all good. Right, we got the new one, Bish Bash Bosh technology. Apparently, look at that. There we go. It's slightly different. Connectors the same, mounting holes are the same. So we'll set it up the same. Now I think it did. It's got, like, if you've got laser eyes, it's got the number of which cylinders written on there. I think if you look, well, actually if I point in the right direction. So we'll have a quick go putting this on now and see if we're home and dry. Bonus! It came with some new screws, which is kind of handy because those others were fairly mashed. And I think the body mounting is slightly longer here, so they have to give you new screws with it. But it looks a bit more substantial. So right, new coil pack is on. It is purring like a kitten, and if we come to the back, it's got dark now, but there's no pop. It's like a brand new motor. Right then, Tyler, you're good. We can go home.